there are two things in today's class. That is, I will give an introduction of Scratch, which last year you learned, fifth standard, you learned, no? Something you heard about and you have seen, and those who have laptop and computers, they installed and used, and some another type of or similar app you uploaded or downloaded in your mobile and used. Okay, so it's okay. That is the first one. Okay, introduction I will give, and I will create one program in Scratch, which you already learned in last year. And second one is what it is exactly. Correct. So 11 o'clock I told the test. Okay, test of chapter 1. Yes, so before that one, I hope I can finish the class. Yes, and you can 5 minutes you can do the revision, then you can attend the class. The test will be test already uploaded in the teach mint. Okay, yes, that is the only you see the timing. Okay, and attend that one. So now I'm not wasting time, I'm going to the class. Okay, I'm going to the class. Scratch. Do you remember last year we learned about the introduction to Scratch in the fifth standard? Yes. Okay. One cat symbol. One cat. Yes, correct. No, one cat. And you can do some animation like running, making square, and jumping, moving here and there, turning. Yes. Okay. So we have seen that one. Once again, we will revise from the fifth standard, and we will take 1 point from the sixth standard. Okay. So I'm going to share the screen of what is that? A Scratch. Okay. Yes. Did you see this screen? Do you remember? Okay. So again, I'm telling how to download this Scratch 2 in mobile or laptop, PCs. Sorry, mobile it is not possible. Yes, this Scratch is not possible in mobiles. Only in laptop and PCs. So here, Scratch 2 free download. Open Google and type there Scratch 2 free download. Then you press. Okay, then you will get Scratch 2.0. And last year textbook, do you remember which is the latest version of Scratch? Which is, yeah, Scratch is a 3, 4 is coming up. Okay, the latest version of Scratch is Scratch 3. Yes, and 4 is coming up. But don't download Scratch 3. So here 3.3 download, 4.1. Okay, it is there are Scratch updated versions, but please, okay, select Scratch 2 because this is the program which is there in your textbook, and enter there. Then you will get Scratch 2. Then from there, Scratch 2, any Scratch 2 you can download. Okay, you can download in the where only laptop. Exactly, laptop and PCs. That may be my which one it is. That may be Android or Windows or then Macintosh. Okay, any see here downloads are there. Yes, this you can download and you can use only in laptop and PCs. Mobile it is not possible. Okay, mobile it is not possible. Yes. Okay, now we will go to the fifth standard. We have learned what is Scratch. Scratch is a programming software which you can create animations and games, okay, for the small kids. Then when you install and open, you will get Scratch 2 offline editor like this. Scratch 2 offline editor. Please download Scratch 2 offline editor. Then this area is called a stage. Just reminding only last year's. Okay, this area is called a stage, and this is the area. Okay, this area is called a script area where you can create a script. Okay, where you can create a script for that one. Okay, so this is called a stage, and this area is called a script area. And what is the name of this one? Yes, Sprite, not drinking Sprite, 7 Up. Okay, this is called a Sprite. Which is the default Sprite in Scratch program? Of course, which one? Cat. Cat is the default sprite in the Scratch program. Clear? Yes. And last year, do you remember, we created a small program. Okay, correct. Now one small program. Which one it is? Which is there in 6th standard also. That's why I'm preferring. Okay, like what is that? Square draw by butterfly on the stage. Okay, this is the question. A square drawn by butterfly on the stage. Butterfly. So what you have to do? First step. What is the first step? Exactly. Butterfly. Correct? No, not the cat. So what do you have to do? Yes, here is select and right click, click on delete button. Then what to do? In the stage, what should draw? Butterfly. So what you have to do? You have to insert butterfly. How we can insert butterfly? Yes, you can go to here, first option. Choose sprite from library. Okay, which is given by the software. And next one is you can draw, paint new sprite. And next one, which you served some images, or you can take your own picture or some pictures you can add there. So usually butterfly by default it is there. So I'll click on the choose sprite from library. See here. When you click on library option, you will get there are many icons like this one, many pictures. Okay, so from there, which one you have to select? Butterfly. See here, butterfly. There are 3 types of butterfly. So you can select any one butterfly. Okay, which is better? Good, feeling good. Okay, this is okay. This is good one, no? Or last one. Okay, third one. Butterfly. Select which butterfly you need, because in the question it is asked butterfly draw a square. Okay, so I select and click on OK here. Look here, here is it last. Okay, click on the button OK here. Now what happened there? Yes, in the stage butterfly came. Now we will have to write the script. Correct? No, write the script. Where you will write the script? In this area. We will write in this area. Okay, we will write. So we will see that one. Okay, yes, children, what I am showing you, I hope you can see the scratch window. Is it possible to see in the scratch window? Yes, sir. Good. Okay. Okay. Then I will go back. Good. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Okay. Stop typing. I got it. I got it. Yes. Once again, I will come back. So just I am confirming. That's all. So here, this is the scratch program. This is the stage. Okay. It is the stage, and we inserted what we inserted exactly butterfly sprite from where? From library. Here you see library. Then we are going to write the script in the script area, which is the first block of all the program. Which is the first block of all the program? Exactly. Which one it is? Cap. Correct? No? Cap. Yes. Where it is? Cap it is. Look here. Where it is? Is it there? Is it here? Yes. So in which category it will come? Event. So in the click on event, then you will get few blocks, and when flag clicked. Okay, when flag clicked. This is the first of all the scratch program. When flag click. Then what is second one? Yes, suppose you created something else, you can get it clear. So from where there is a clear, which color it is? Green color. Okay, which is the green color? Is it the green color? No, then which one? Yes, pen. So green color pen. Go to pen and click on there here. Clear. So whatever it is there, it will be clear. So how I have taken? Just you select the pen category and click and drag, clear button, click and drag, clear button. Yes. Okay. And click and drag and keep it there downside. Notch. Last year we have learned notch. The cap block have only one notch. Okay. And this is you can attach here. Yes. Can we attach upon this one? No, because there is no notch here. Okay. You can attach here. Then what is next one? Then we have to draw. If you want to draw, you need what? Pen. So select again pen, and you are selected the pen down. click and drag and attach here, pen round. Then what is that? Okay, you can change, you can select any one color. Okay, pen color. Where is the pen color? Change pen color. Okay, here is the change pen color by 10. Okay, you can give instead of 10, some 20 you can give. Okay, select and type there. So color also will be changed. Then what? Set the pen size. Okay, how much big square you need. Okay, the thickness of the border. Then what you will do? Set pen size. Pen set a pen size to 1. You need more thickness. What you will do? You write 2. More thicknesses. You write what is that? 5 you can type. Yes, I will show you if you are after changing. Clear? Then now pen is ready. Then you have to move by this sprite. Okay, butterfly sprite. Moving which one? Motion blocks here, motion. In that one, I say how many times you want to move. Okay, almost you can select how much you want. Almost I'm giving it is 150. Okay, or 100 enough. 100 steps move. Okay, then after moving, then you have to turn right, correct, no, or right or left. So you select turn 15-degree, turn right. No, it is not 15-degree. Why? Because it is a square. So you have to retype like a 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Then after that, again, what you have to do? Move. Now it is only single line. Then you have to come. 4 lines should be there for the square. Then again, what you will write? Again 100. Then what you will write again? Here, look here, what is going on there? Again 90. So now you look here, see. Okay, only how many are there? Okay, I will bring here, then I will click. See here, got it? Because only two times I brought here, only 2 times. Instead of that one, I can do, remember, another option in this also we learned last year. Okay, what is that? Repeat. I'll bring here repeat and put these 2 steps. How many times? 4 times, because square has 4 lines. Then when I click, you see, once again I will do. Okay, if I say wait, then you can understand very slowly you do. Okay, then for wait, which is the one? Waiting. Here we will see wait. Where is wait? Wait 1 second. Here I added here, or 2 seconds I will say. Now we will click 1, stop, second line, stop, third line, 2 seconds, stop, next line. Okay, children, you are welcome. Okay, sir. Thank you, friends. Who is that? Thank you, friends. Page number 86. Okay, okay, yes, okay. Page number 86. Yes. Okay, it's okay. No need of seeing the textbook. I didn't start. Okay, I am just refreshing from 5th standard. I am just refreshing from 5th standard. It is there in the 6th standard also, but I'm just refreshing from 5th standard. Okay, so I will start from 6th standard. Okay, so this is clear. I hope you got it. Now you clear the idea of scratch. You got it back, correct? No, from 5th standard. Okay, now, yes sir, yes sir, all are typing. Yes sir, yes sir. 3 bags full, one for my master, one for me, my for mother, father, correct? No, yes, no need of singing. Okay, 1 or 2 you type enough. Yes, okay, yes. Now we will come to 6th standard. Sir, what is the use of scratch? Oh baby, I think he came late. I think this. Okay, I'm not reading the name. I'm not reading the name, but okay, let it be there. Yes. Okay, now take page number 86 from your textbook. Now you take page number 86 from your textbook. Okay, till now I was refreshing ideas of scratch from 5th standard. Got it? Yes. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. Today. Yes. Okay. Now, hey, unit test again. Who is this one? Said Akif. Said Akif. Are you listening there, or something still you are in a busy or tension about your test, which will start from 11 o'clock onwards? No problem, no problem. It's okay. Very simple, very, very simple. Yes. Okay. Now please take page number 86. Okay. Take the page number 86. And there you can see types of blocks. Types of blocks. Okay. Types of blocks. Okay. I will share. Here you have seen so many blocks. So many blocks. And in each categories, this is called category. There are many categories. Okay. 10 categories in this Scratch 2. When you go to new version of Scratch, you may get 9 or 8, or there are different application, different one. So that's why again and again I remind you, I'm teaching Scratch 2, and when you download or when you use Scratch 2 only use. If you are using any other application like some mobile application is the Scratch. Okay, but it is similar but not the same. I don't want answer from that. Okay, yes, clear. So this is a Scratch 2. Okay, Scratch 2. So here you can see there are different categories. And you see here, it is similar pattern, correct? No, similar pattern. Yes, here, okay, similar pattern only. But here you see last. Is it same? No, it is another one. And sound you see here, and it is round oval shape. And pen you see here you see. Okay, and data, events cap, like a cap is there, and same like this one. So there are different way. Here it is see, like see. So this type, the blocks are divided according to its type. Okay, the blocks are classified or divided according to its type of shape. Okay, so first one is, which is the first one? Yes, not motion, not motion. Okay, I will see. I will show you. Yes, I will show you that which one it is. Types of blocks. Page number 86. No, page number 86. Okay, so there are how many types of blocks? Six block shapes. Six. Okay, how many categories? 10 categories. Okay, let us start from reading textbook. Types of blocks. What is the page number? 86? Yes. Now I'll share the screen, and you can see the textbook also. Sometimes directly you are coming from bed and sitting there. No, yes, correct. No, so you may not have the textbook. Okay, so I have opened myself textbook. Yes, some are having no time. One hand snacks, something is there to eat, and no time to go and take. Yes. Okay, so more about Scratch, and we will see the types of blocks. Blocks are used to create programs in Scratch. Okay, with the blocks only, already we have seen. There are 10 categories. Underline please. There are 10. Okay, there are 10 categories of color coded blocks. Okay, 10 categories blocks, drawers, and six block shape. So how many categories of blocks are there? 10, which is having separate color code, and what is the 6 block shapes? That is, we will discuss here. These 6 kinds of blocks can be connected together to form a program. Okay, 6 types. We will connect each blocks one after another. Already we have seen in this, which one it is? Here we have seen one block after we are connecting each other. You can see that one. Then let us now discuss this block type. So how many types of blocks are there? Exactly 6. The first one is hat block. Which is the first one? Hat block. This block is used to start the script. Underline. To start a script. Hat block. This block is used to start a script. Look here, figure 6.1. All the programs, okay, all the programs in our chapter or fifth, sixth, and seventh standard, all the program we will start with the which block? Hat block. Use the shape of block is like a cap. Sorry, hat. Correct? No. Where you keep the hat? Of course, surely the hat will keep on your head, top. Correct? No. Same way, this hat block will keep on the top or the first of all the program. Okay, it has a notch on the bottom of frame. Notch. What do you mean by notch? This is called a notch. See here, the humb. Okay, or like what is the edge? It coming up or down. Like notch mobile, you know very well this one. You heard about, but you don't know what is that one. See, in your mobile, sometimes the latest mobiles having notch mobile. Okay, water drop camera. Okay, and like that you heard this like this. So this is a notch mobile. Notch means a camera. You can give you can see one small humble like this or like this. Yes. Okay, so it is possible there. Correct? No. Yeah. Then that is called what? Notch. I will erase. Not pen, highlighter, eraser. Yes. Okay. Now I'll take again pencil. Yeah. No pencil. Yes. Okay. So this is called a notch. So for the hat block, how many notches are there? How many notches? One notch where it is on bottom. On bottom. Okay. But not on the top. See here, is there any notch here? No, this is like a cap shape, not the notch. So other blocks can be placed below it. You can attach downside. Can you attach above that one? No. Yes, you can place only down, but not above it. There are a total of 11 hat blocks. Like this, there are different types of 11 hat blocks are there. Clear? So we are talking about only type of blocks. The first one is hat block. It always used to start a script, that means program, and it has a one notch at the bottom. Clear? Yes. Now we'll go to the next page, which is the second type of block, that is stack block. That is stack block. The stack block has a notch both on the top and bottom. Underline, please. Underline. Top and bottom. See here, look here. Here you see. And here also see. So there are two notches for the stake block, staking. Okay. Example. And the books will keep one upon another. Correct? No? Yeah, class teacher is like, okay, please bring your notes here. So what you will do, you will keep, first person will keep the book and another person keep on the other book. Okay, keep on like the, then you are keeping one upon another. That is called a stack block. Stacking. Or chairs. You please gather all chairs. Then what you will bring? You will bring one chair, keep upon that one to save the place. Correct? No, one chair, keep on other one. Yes. So that is called what? Yes, stack block. Stack block. Okay. So that is called a stack block. Clear? And this is the thing is which one is stack block? Has two notches, which means other blocks can be placed. Okay, of course you can place the what is that block on and down. So like that, how many stack blocks are there? 77 number of blocks are there. Okay, now we will see the third type of blocks. That is Boolean block. The block represent conditional underline conditional logic. Condition. If I can give 1 is less than 5, is it true or false? Yes or no? Correct, no? So what is that? It's like a condition. Okay, you want to go, you are a human or animal? Human or animal? Yes or no? True or false? So like this condition. You are boy or girl, you are in the 5th standard or 6th standard. See the condition. Either you are in a, you have to say yes or no, or true or false. Okay, so such conditions we use. What we use? Which type of blocks we will use? Boolean blocks. Please repeat. Boolean block. Okay, it resultant value is either yes or no. Any one answer will get. True or false. Only one answer will get. Like that. How many blocks are there? 13. 13 blocks. Okay, now once again, first one is hat block, second one is tag block, third one is Boolean blocks, and next one is reporter block. Reporter. Where I am underlining, please you to underline. Okay, this block can hold value. Underline. This is the one type of block which can hold value. Okay, and which can be numeric and string. Numeric means numbers like this. Numerics. And string means like string means a what is that a group of letters like English alphabets and all, that is called string. Yes, and variables. How many are there? 37 blocks. Okay, and this Boolean block and reporter block, it has no notch. Is there any notch for Boolean block? No. Is there any notch for the reporter block? No, not even bottom and top. And next one is C block. Next one is C block. This block is also called wrap block. Underline. C block is also called wrap block. Wrapping. Okay, you will say no. 5-star wrapper. What is a five-star wrapper means? Teacher will say, hey, after eating chocolate, don't throw the wrappers here and there. Put it in the dustbin. Correct, no? Wrapper means wrap, or wrapper means covering. So C block is also known as wrap block. Underline. Enables the program to perform branching or looping. Branching or looping. Underline. Branching or looping. Branching or looping means, suppose clap 10 times. One example, clap 10 times. So what are you doing? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what are you doing there? You are doing this action 10 times, looping, repeating. Okay. Or in the, what is that? If you tell, make 3 rounds, walk in your ground, then what you will do? Start from start point. You will start, make a big round, and will come to the same point. Second round, third round. So what you are doing? You are looping, repeating. Yes, in the square program. Okay, in the square program also see here. In the square program also same. Repeating. See, this is called C blocks. What you are doing there? 1 time, again, second time, again, third time, again, 4 times. See here, repeat, looping. Repeat means looping. Okay. Yes, of course. Next one is, and it has only one block on top, one block on, one notch on top and one notch inside the block. Okay, 2 notches are there. One is on the top and another inside the block. And the last one is cap block. Cap. You have water bottles, correct? No? And water bottles have cap. Yes. You have pen. Pen also having cap. Why do we need to use caps for that one? Yes, of course. If the bottle without cap means if you fill water, something happen, if it is landed, if it is turned down, or if it fell down, water will flow outside. Correct? But cap, if you tightly close with the cap, so what will happen? Yes, it will stop. Underline. This block is used to stop the script. It will bottle of the cap of the bottle will stop the flowing of water. And the cap of pen, yes, when you're writing, you put the cap means that means stop writing. Stopping, cap block. So cap block always come at the end. Okay, stopping. It has a notch at underline. Only one notch, that is on the top. That is on the top. So how many notches are there? Only one notch. Where it is? On the top. Clear? So I will come back. Okay, listen here. Listen here. Okay, now it is 10:50. Still 10 minutes are there to start the test. Don't worry. Now you listen here. I will brief today's class. We have started the class. We have started the class with the 5th standard, some introduction to Scratch. What is Scratch window? What is there in the Scratch window? Yes, and you have seen stage where the sprite is there by default, which is the what is that? Which is the default sprite in Scratch? Cat. Yes, default sprite in Scratch is a cat. Okay, then you can change from the library, and with that one in the work area, that is called script area, you are writing the script to run a program. Then we come back to the 6th standard, that is page number 86, types of blocks. And how many types of blocks are there? Types of blocks, not the categories. Don't confuse in the exam time also. Okay, categories different, I didn't start. Okay, categories are different, I didn't start. Okay, so today I have taken only one point, that is types of blocks. How many types of blocks? 6 types of blocks. 6 types of block. Which is the first one? Hat block. Always to start, it is on the top. Second one, it is a stake block. Stacking. Okay, you can keep it on and down. There is 2 notches on the top and bottom. Yes, and next one is Boolean block. Okay, Boolean block has no notches. You can add value. You are a boy or girl, you are a teacher or student, you are a 6th standard student or 5th standard students. Yes, but there is no notch for that one. Then next one is a reporter block. Again, has no notch. Yes, it will get what you will get. You can add value, numerical value. Numerical value means numbers 0 to 9. Plus symbols also, that also will come there. Then what is next one? It is yes, one more you can add, that is string. String means group of letters A, B, C, D, like a ledger name or class, everything. Yes, hey boss, I'm not reading name. I told no. If I start reading, Rohia, either you stop chatting. I told that one. It is not. If it is 11 o'clock, I will do there. Okay, I will stop there. I told that one. I'm saying time also. Rohia, please keep in mind. In between, no. Yes. And next one is C blocks. Like it's a shape like a C. Shape like a C. Yes, there are 2 notches, one on the top and inside, another one inside. Yes, it is also C block is also known wrap block. And next one is cap block. Cap. Okay, you are closing cap. Yes, closing. Monkey cap, closing. Monkey cap. Monkey cap, closing. Yes. Hey, who is this one? Kridant. See, I told that one. So when I say you're typing anything, it is recording one thing. And I told no, all the parents or teachers all are watching the same thing. What you're typing there. Okay, so this is today's class. Yes, now it is time 10:55. It's the time 10:55. Okay, 10:55. Got it? Yes. Okay. And now 5 minutes you can revise, revision time. And it is not 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. It will start only. You have the time. Think very, very, very 2 times, 3 times. You read and think and write the answer. So I will tell about the test Open in Teachmeet, go to add or you give 10 answers, then go to the view answer sheet, click on that one, then you click next, after 10 view that view the answer, then only click on submit button, then only you click on submit button. Okay, so best of luck. And I prefer without seeing textbook, please write test without seeing textbook. If you do no doubts, sir, okay, with you have doubts when you start the test, what is the answer of that one, what is the parents may be there with helping and books are there, okay, but I prefer you write yourself. Okay, I left to you 11 o'clock only it will start, then only you can submit that one. Yes, you can submit that one and do that one. Those who can tomorrow we will continue with the next chapter. Okay, thank you, best of luck.
Sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye,
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Yes, sir. Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you.